Good morning. Today we are going to be looking at working out the area of circles using the formula A equals pi r squared. Firstly, let's look at where the formula comes from. If we start with a circle and fill it with circular strips, then we know that from the centre out to the circumference is the radius of the circle. Now what we're going to do is peel off the outer strip. Now can you see that that is what was the circumference? Now what we're going to do is peel off the next strip and the next strip and place the strips side by side. Now what we have now kind of resembles a right-angled triangle, and the base of that right-angled triangle is the radius. So the base is the radius and the height is the circumference. Now we know that the circumference is equal to pi d. That's a formula we met earlier. We also know that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So instead of pi d, we could write pi times 2r and then rearrange it so we have c equals 2 pi r. So we have something that's kind of like a right-angled triangle, and we know that the base is the radius and the height is 2 pi r. Now we're going to go back now to our original circle. Now let's zoom in and take thinner and thinner strips, peeling each strip off one by one and assembling them as we did before, so that what we have now more closely resembles a right-angled triangle. And we have already said the base is equal to the radius and the height is equal to 2 pi r. So we have reassembled the area of a circle as the area of a triangle. And we know the area of the triangle. We know that the area of a triangle is a half times the base times the height. The base of our triangle is r and our height is 2 pi r. So the area is equal to a half times r times 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 pi r squared over 2. Now we can cancel off the common factor of 2 and we're left with pi r squared. So the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the formula for finding the area of a circle, pi r squared. Now there is an alternative explanation in your textbook for where the formula comes from, but that's your starting point. You're only required to know that the area is equal to pi r squared. So questions you'll be asked, your starting point, A equals pi r squared. In the next video, we'll look at working through some examples together. Thank you.